Hi all, how are you doing? Just another commute video, and this time I've relocated the wireless microphone in its wireless configuration, so it's not wired this time, to inside the helmet. I've stuck it to the front of the helmet with some velcro, so I've put the little magnets away somewhere safe, and bought some double-sided velcro. So I've stuck the transmitter to the front of the helmet just to see how that sounds. I have also bought the DJi audio adapter, so I'll maybe try that on the way home, because it'll be pitch black and there'll not be much to see at 1 o'clock in the morning. So this is just another little commute video. I hope you enjoy. Well, the temporary lights are back here. Nothing new. So hopefully we'll not get held up too long here. Right, I've just relocated that transmitter, just moved it over a little bit because it was digging into my old chinny chin chin. Just as well you've got the bike, because I wouldn't have got through there in the car, and everybody's still stuck. I can't believe how long it's taken them to do this junction. Honestly. But I'm not a civil engineer, so what do I know? Anyway, let's crack on. I've got a bit of a croaky throat. Thank you. It's always nice when cars spot you in time nice and early and move over a little bit just to let you pass. That's just courteous and very much appreciated. Sadly not all car drivers are like that. A lot of them don't like the fact that you can just cut through the traffic, and it really upsets them. So I'm on a little Honda CB650R today. This is my commuting bike. I was going to take the GSX, but I noticed that had even less fuel than what the Honda's got, so I'll need to get some go-go juice on the way home tonight, or tomorrow. That'll be tomorrow now. On the way home tomorrow. So yeah, this little Honda is absolutely fantastic on fuel. This has got to be the most perfect commuter bike. You've got the best of both worlds with it. You've got the speed to get out of a bit of bother, and the miles per gallon. The miles per gallon on this bike is just fantastic. It's saying 62.9 at the moment, but I have been riding it quite hard, and that will go up to about 64, 65 on the commute. Sometimes a little bit higher if I ride it really nicely. Just nip down to the front here. Tell you, it's quite clammy today. Quite clammy. They've been patching this road up. We'll see how long the patches last. Once we get a winter out the way, they'll probably be all rutted to hell again. I think we'll go this way today, just for a change. Keeping the speed down because we're passing a school. I haven't tooted the horn yet. That's surprising. Normally I toot the horn. when I first get on whatever bike, because the old buttons are in different places. This road's been shut for weeks. It's open now obviously, but the carnage that cost. Oh, somebody not paid their road tax. The carnage that caused, the congestion was unbelievable. But it's open now, so no doubt it'll be getting shut again for water maybe this time. They've done the gas. I think they might have already done the water. Right, so they've done the gas, they've done the water. What else can they dig it up for? Electricity? Because they do that. They don't all come in at once when the road's dug up. One comes in, does what they need to do, and then it gets filled in badly. Then another cowboy contractor comes in, they do what they need to do, and then that gets filled in badly again, and the cycle just repeats. I'm just going this way to avoid the city basically. Sometimes it does take a few minutes longer, but you're not constantly sitting in red lights. Sitting in red lights really annoys me, but I think that's what they're designed to do actually, to annoy you. Just sails right round the corner, right through the red light, not a care in the world. Some short cuttage. We'll take a cheeky wee shortcut here. I've got something to show you in that building that I done. Save that for another video. Because in my previous life I was a stonemason. Right, I'm going to wrap it up here. And like I say, this video, nothing special. I'm just mucking about, testing the settings on the Action 4 with the wireless mic 2. Anyway guys, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.